Hi, welcome to 15302 Snee Oosh Road. This home is located in Anacortes and you're in for a treat today. 5 acres, approximately 200 feet of waterfront. This is an architecturally designed home using large timbers. Behind me you'll see the exterior timbers are about 2 feet in diameter. The inside of the home has a massive floor-to-ceiling fireplace constructed using stones from 3 different sources, so you'll notice a beautiful color palette. The home is set up for main level living. You have a private wing on one end that includes an office, a beautiful master suite, and probably one of the largest closets in our area. The kitchen is huge. It's designed for multiple chefs to enjoy. It has a large dining area for gatherings, and of course there's casual dining in the kitchen area as well. The lower level was designed that it could easily be a nanny's quarters, caretaker quarters, mother-in-law, and it's roughed plumb for a kitchen. Guests enjoy the loft area. There's 2 guest suites. One has a view of the water and the other one is nestled in the trees. In addition, there is an exterior pole building that's about 45 feet by 100 feet long. The pole building has a pickleball court, hoops for basketball, RV storage. It has a loft area, which is great for viewing the sporting activities. It has a kitchenette in it, and it has a giant workshop. It certainly could be used for any purpose. Adjacent, there is also a beautiful apple orchard, and there is a boat ramp to be able to launch a small boat in order to be able to crab in the bay. There's phenomenal crabbing and fishing right around the corner. This is a spectacular property. Easy steps to the beach and everything that you need to embrace the best of Northwest living. Welcome to this fantastic property.